Prestige comes when you feel you have done something well. Prestige comes when you feel you have done something well. But honor comes when others feel you have done something well. When does honor comes? Honor comes when others feel you have done something well. Good morning to all my dear students. I welcome you once again in the class of accounts, standard 11. In today's e-class, I am going to explain you question number 7 from chapter number 2 of part 2. Name of the chapter is Depreciation Accounts. So let us begin through that.
Question 7 on page number 67. Sharma Limited has purchased a machine for 67,000 on 1/4/2012. Installation expense of this machine was 3,000. Depreciation is to be provided at 10% every year under reducing balance method. Now this is totally the new concept for you people. It is RBM. A certain amount of depreciation, pass journal entries and prepare machine account and depreciation account for first 3 years. Show accounting effect in annual accounts for first 2 years. Now this is all what is being asked in the question. Its working is very important and it is new for you people just because we are doing the very first sum under the method reducing balance. Okay, how we are supposed to calculate? Please concentrate. The purchase price is given to you 67 and installation is 3,000. Out of this, we are supposed to calculate its cost price. Now, cost price is equals to purchase price plus installation. It is 67,000 plus 3,000, that will amount to 70,000. Now, this is your RBM, okay, reducing balance method. Here, under working, what we are supposed to do is, cost price हमारा कितना है 70,000. This is on 1/4/12. Our year ends on 31st March. After 12, it will be 13. Is this okay? And the rate at which it is to be depreciated, that is your 10%. Now 70,000 ka 10% amounts to 7,000. This will be your book value 63,000 as on 1/4/13. अगेन हमें डेप्रिशिएट करना होगा 10% रेट के ऊपर. नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज आवर रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड. जो हमारा बैलेंस अवेलेबल होगा उसका हमें 10% करना है. टिल नाउ व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड इज 7,000. अगर एक बार आपका यहां पर डेप्रिसिएशन आ जाता है तो हमें वही सेम 7,000 फॉर नंबर ऑफ द ईयर्स हमें रिपीट करके डिडक्ट करना होता है. बट दिस इज योर रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड. इसमें जो जो आपका बुक वैल्यू आता जाएगा उसका हमें 10% लेना है. नाउ 63,000 का 10% इज 6,300. डिडक्ट करने पर आएगा 56,700. Depreciation is always at the end of the year, and after 13 the year is going to end on 14. This will become your book value on 1/4/14. Again it's the time for depreciation at 10%. Now हमें 63 नहीं लेना है, हमें 7,000 नहीं लेना है. हमारा जितना बैलेंस अवेलेबल है उस बैलेंस का हमें क्या करना है 10%. That will turn to 5670 and year is going to end on 31/3/2015. Okay, after deducting it will come to 51030 on same date 31/3/15. Only up to here we are supposed to prepare, because in question it is given prepare your accounts for 3 years. For first 3 years it has been told, so 3 times depreciation calculation होना चाहिए 1, 2 and 3. 3 times if depreciation is done, हमें और आगे इसको कैलकुलेट नहीं करना है. Now for first 3 years we are supposed to write down journal entry. Now here are the journal entries of Sharma Limited. First date को हमने मशीन को परचेज किया है. This is a very well known entry for you people now, because from last 6 sums we are doing the same entry. Machine comes into the business, machine account debit, बैंक में हमें परचेज प्राइस डालना होता है एंड कैश में अदर एक्सपेंसेस. सो मशीन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट टू कैश अकाउंट. इन बैंक इट विल बी परचेज प्राइस एंड इंस्टॉलेशन का जाएगा किसमें, आपका 3000 कैश में. ओके, बीइंग मशीन परचेज्ड एंड अमाउंट पेड. नाउ एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर हमें क्या करना होगा, डेप्रीसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना होगा. नाउ डेप्रीसिएशन को कैलकुलेट करना है कब, ऑन 31/3/2013. आवर फर्स्ट ईयर इज गोइंग टू एंड. एंट्री दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉमन फॉर यू. डेप्रीसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीन अकाउंट बाय 7000. नाउ प्लीज चेक आउट इन दी वर्किंग. फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए डेप्रीसिएशन आपका कितना है, दिस इज 7000. Can you see over here, depreciation is 7000 as on 31/3/2013. Now after calculating the depreciation हमें वही same depreciation क्या करना है, ट्रांसफर करना है. कहां ट्रांसफर करेंगे अपन, P&L में. So profit and loss account debit to depreciation by 7000. Okay, now these two entries are going to be repeated for 2 more times for 2 more years. ये entry आपकी सिर्फ एक बार होगी, because we have purchased machine for only one time. Now after 13 our year is going to end on 14. So your date will be 31/3/2014. Entry going to be same. Depreciation account debit to machine account. But the amount of depreciation will be different, because this is your reducing balance method. यहां पे कितना रिकॉर्ड किया आपने, 6300. Now the date given to you is 2014. Let us check it out in our working. depreciation कितना है, see here 31/3/14 को depreciation आपका कितना है, 6300. So हमने कितना दिखा दिया है, 6300. As and when we have recorded depreciation, now it's time for transferring to profit and loss account. Okay, हमें क्या करना है अभी, ट्रांसफर. Profit and loss account debit to depreciation 6300. Can you see on the screen, 31/3/2014 सेम डेट को हमें ट्रांसफर करना होता है, और ट्रांसफर करते हैं हम P&L के डेबिट साइड में. P&L account debit to depreciation 6300. Now for the third year 31/3/2015, again the entry is going to remain the same. Depreciation account debit to machine account by 5670. This is also there in your working. Last year अगर आप चेक करेंगे तो 5670 है. And at the end of the year again हमें क्या करना होगा, जितना हमने रिकॉर्ड किया है, जितना हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, same is to be transferred against P&L. So entry will be profit and loss account debit to depreciation 5670. So hereby journal entries for first 3 years we have completed. Now what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to prepare our machine account, and machine account is also to be prepared for first 3 years. Please dear students concentrate on screen. Machine account 1/4/2012 को हमने मशीन परचेज किया है, बैंक में 67,000 its purchase price, along with that to cash, that is 3,000 installation. Now 67 plus 3 turn out to 70. Reducing balance method है. 70,000 का 10% will amount to 7,000. This will be your depreciation. The difference will be 63,000. This will be your balance carried forward. Okay. Now if we people don't teach, then also you should know how we are supposed to prepare machine account. This was all the calculation for first year. Now this first year's closing balance will become the opening balance for second year, 63,000. Now this 7,000 is not going to appear for the second year because this is the method known as reducing balance. जितना हमारे पास बैलेंस होगा जिस साल उतना हमें 10% कैलकुलेट करना है. 63,000 का 10% comes to 6,300. So after recording depreciation on credit side हमें totaling करना है. Shift the 63,000 on the credit side and your difference comes is 56,700. Again this will be known as your balance carried forward. This is your closing balance. Your closing balance will become the opening balance for new year, that is to balance brought forward on 1/4/14. Over here again I am repeating in all my last videos I have taught you that don't change the year over here. Calendar year change नहीं हो रहा है, it is our financial year. So after March यहाँ पर April आएगा and the year is going to remain the same. To balance brought forward 56,700. Again it is reducing balance method. हमें 56,700 का क्या करना है 10%, that will come to 5,670. We are supposed to write by depreciation account on credit side. Total this, shift it on the credit side, your difference will be 51030. Third year's closing balance, that is known as balance carried forward, will become the opening balance for fourth year 1/4/2015 to balance brought forward 51030. This is all the repeated work which we are doing from last 6 sums. Now for 3 years we are supposed to prepare depreciation account. The depreciation calculated at the first year's end was 7,000. So in depreciation account on debit side we are supposed to write to machine account 7,000. This is also the very familiar topic and account to you people. On 31/3/2013 on the very same day we are supposed to transfer to P&L account. To P&L account जितना हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया है उतना सेम हमें यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर कर देना है. योर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट विल नेवर हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ बैलेंस. इट विल बी ऑलवेज योर स्क्वाड अप और टेलीड अकाउंट. फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर योर डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेटेड वाज 6,300. योर ईयर is going to end on 14 after the completion of year 2013. 31/3/2014 to machine account 6,300. On the very same day हमें क्या करना है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ट्रांसफर करना है एंड दिस विल बी ऑल्सो 6,300. एट द एंड हमें क्या कर देना है टोटलिंग्स on third year. Now after 14 our third year is going to end on, yes you people are correct, on 15. 31/3/2015 to machine account 5,670 and we are supposed to transfer this depreciation to P&L same amount 5,670. I hope this depreciation account is also very clear to you people. We have prepared this depreciation account for first 3 years. Now one more question asked in the question is prepare or show accounting effects in final accounts for first 2 years. Now our first year is going to end on 31/3/2013. हमने क्या प्रिपेयर किया है पहले प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में डेप्रिसिएशन कहां आता है ऑन डेबिट साइड. इट इज ऑन डेबिट साइड. ओके 7,000. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्या बनेगा बैलेंस शीट. मशीन बीइंग द असेट ऑफ द बिजनेस हमें इसको कहां रिकॉर्ड करना है on asset side. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2013. Machine account, okay, on debit side, on asset side it is 70,000 less depreciation 7,000. In outer column parallel to 7,000 हमें कितना दिखाना है? 63,000. Is this clear? So this was for first financial year. As our first financial year ends on 13, our next will end on 14. Again हमें क्या बनाना है? Profit and loss account for the year ending on 31/3/14. Now at the end of our previous year हमारा डेप्रिसिएशन कितना था? हमारा मशीन का वैल्यू कितना था? 63,000. सो अंडर द मेथड ऑफ आरबीएम हमारे पास जितना बैलेंस अवेलेबल है उसका हमें 10% कैलकुलेट करना है टू डेप्रिसिएशन. 63,000 हमारा लास्ट ईयर का बैलेंस है, उसका 10% इट विल टर्न अप टू 6,300. अगेन नाउ दिस last year's closing balance will become current year's opening balance. हमारा ईयर एंड हो रहा है 14 को. मशीन अकाउंट में इनर कॉलम में हम लिखेंगे 63,000 लेस डेप्रिसिएशन करना है 6,300. ओके, इन आउटर कॉलम आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग इट विल कम टू 56,700. इज इट विजिबल नाउ टू यू पीपल? बैलेंस शीट हमने बनाया है. लास्ट ईयर 63,000 जो आपका बैलेंस था वो हमने यहाँ पे इनर कॉलम में लिखा, माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन किया है 10% रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड के हिसाब से. यहाँ पे जो 7,000 लिया है सेम वी हैव नॉट टेकन. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड एंड रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड. इन आउटर कॉलम माइनस करने के बाद 56,700. I hope you all people have understood question number 7, and please do complete question number 7 along with that illustration number 2, 3 and 14. All these are the illustrations under the method reducing balance. सब में ध्यान रखना है, फर्स्ट ईयर आपका जो डेप्रिसिएशन आया है उसे हमें कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं करना है. एज एंड व्हेन आपका जितना बैलेंस होगा उसमें आपको डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.